we would like to sketch the graph of a function that is continuous on the closed interval 1, 5, and that has an absolute minimum at 3, an absolute maximum at 4, and a local maximum at 2. So we have drawn this graph which satisfies all these requirements. First of all, the domain is the interval 1, 5, as we can see here, and the function is continuous there. That is, there is only one piece of the function. There are no jumps or discontinuities whatsoever. So the first requirement is this, and then let's see the other ones. The function has an absolute minimum at 3, as we can see here. The absolute minimum is around this point. It's around here. It's the lowest point in the graph in the whole domain. If we look at all the interval from 1 to 5. So at 3 we have the absolute minimum value. And at 4 we have the absolute maximum. And that's it. At this point here, 4, we have the highest point in the graph if we look at the whole domain of the function. So here we have an absolute maximum. Now we have another requirement that we have a local maximum at 2, and that's the case here. We can see at 2 we have this point here, which is the highest point when we look only close or near the value 2. So if we look at a very small piece of the graph around this point 2, we can see that it is the highest value there. So for that reason, this is the local maximum value of the function. And then at 1 and 5, we have images that do not affect the 3 properties here. And when we can say this solution to the problem we have been given.